Good morning, traders. How's everyone doing? Right, so let's have a look at the price action of BTC. So if you watched my last video, I did say that we do have the value area low sitting about 117, and we can see that we were fighting with the point of control. This is a sign of manipulation. We've seen this before in this area here as well, where it did actually fail, but we did actually get back into the value area low. But we failed to break above 119,500, and we failed to take these highs as well. So I did say in my last video that we don't have much volume support in this area, and we can see that if we did lose that, it was a clear short, which I'm currently in, and we would see lower prices. So currently we are sitting at 1134,450, and we do have previous resistance as support at 112, and if we do slice through that, the next level of interest would be 108, where we do have a daily level there, 108,222, and if we break that, then it's not going to be looking that great for BTC. Although this is just a correction, I am expecting maybe a recovery back up in Asia tomorrow. Maybe let's just go to a lower time frame. So I am sort of expecting a recovery back up to maybe test the value area low, which is sitting about 117. So there's a possibility we may attempt to get back into this value area low. All depends how the market's open tomorrow, and if we've got any other negative news that can impact the stock market. So if we do get rejected here again, there is a shorting opportunity there as well, and longing opportunity. Realistically, there's a possibility we may come back and test this as support, where we can look for a long, but you'd have to use a tight stop loss, because it does look like on the blockchain and on the ETF side that they are selling. So if we do, like I said, if we do lose 112, it could be another fast move back down to that daily level, and we should be able to hold that daily level. If we fail to hold this daily level, we're probably going to come back to the bigger range low, which is sitting around 100k basically. If we lose 100k, we're going to go back into the 90s. But let's not think about that right now. What we can only do is look at the price action, what's in front of us. Now, since we do have some single prints and we do have some fair value gaps, like I said, there is a possibility that we can try to make our way back up, and there's a possibility we may get rejected. So if you did watch my last video, you would have been prepared for this. Like a lot of my members in my Telegram group who were given daily updates. A lot of people were saying to long this, long that, and it was quite clear. It was quite clear that price action was struggling here, and we saw a lot of manipulation here in this area as well. We do talk about manipulation in the trading group as well. So as I said, there's not much volume support there. Do I think 112 is going to hold? Well, let's just have a look at this in a different way. This is your daily chart, and this here is the 50 EMA. So we can see that we are trying to hold above the 50 EMA, which is sitting here, but it's actually starting to curve down, which is a bit of a concern. We want to see another daily close on Sunday. We can get another daily close above that. There's a good possibility we may be able to test 117. If we really want to get back into that range, if we can't get back into that range, then we're coming down, because we do have some fair value gaps in this price range here, which is at 18 to 105, and then the next range would be 105 to 100k, like I said before. And if you do lose that, it's going to be a fast sweep down. But there is obviously other news that's impacting the price, but this is a healthy correction anyway. It is a bit of a healthy correction, in my opinion, there's nothing to really to worry about. We've seen this before, saw this before happen as well. You know, we did have some price action where we did break down as well in June. So you know, there's a possibility we may come and test those daily levels that we have sitting below us. So trade wise, you really want to be a bit careful trading in this zone. Realistically, you want to be trading on lower time frames and using order flow, because in order flow you can see where the buyers and the sellers are. You can see the relationship between the bids and the asks. Now if you want to learn about that, the link's in the description below. So if we look at a more lower time frame, like a 15-minute chart, there isn't much happening. It's, you know, it's a weekend now, the liquidity is low. We want to see, you know, we want to see realistically, I mean, we did have a buying tail here, you know, so we don't want to be, ideally we don't want to be losing 113. Yeah, we don't want to be losing 113 over the next 48 hours. We want to see a bounce back up, but this is only going to be a recovery. I don't think we're going to go to all-time highs just yet. I think there will be a recovery, so you have a bit of a bounce trade here, and there's a shorting opportunity as well. So that's what we really have for Bitcoin, to be honest. Like I said, watch my last video, you would have been prepared. If you're part of the Telegram group, you would have been prepared on a daily. We did do really, really well on some scalps this week, on both on Ethereum and Bitcoin as well. There are some sponsors of the channel here as well that help us make this content and support us. First exchange is BYDFI, very good exchange. If you haven't seen this video here, I'll suggest you go ahead and see this video. They are doing an amazing offer, 20% bonus, deposit bonus, and a 50% deposit bonus on $100. And the both, you only need to deposit $100 into one in this exchange using my link, and you get 50% deposit bonus, plus you also get the trade setups, daily trade setups. You know, you don't want to be looking for swing positions in these price zones. You want to be taking daily trades where you can make money, get into the market, get into the trade, in and out, fast as possible. Very simple to understand, whether it's long or short. So we do teach that, and I give these setups on crypto, gold, and other assets. But you have to be, you have to have one of these accounts with links in the description before, and your trading deposit, deposit in the exchange as well. So you just click on this link here and send me a DM on X or on Telegram. The link's in the description as well, which is down here. Sorry, it's down here. You click on this link, send me your UID, and we will let you in. Simple as that. There is some other good exchanges that I'm using as well, like KCEX, PHEMIX, and BITUNIX, and it doesn't matter which exchange you use. There's some good deposits, bonuses that they are doing. Most of them are known KYC as well. PHEMIX is a very good exchange, been here for a long time. But currently I'm trading on this because I love the user interface. Amazing exchange. So check this video out as well. If you want to get free money, free access to trades, it's very simple. It's a win-win for everybody. Now coming back to the charts, we are forming, I would say, from what I can see here, we are actually forming a slightly recovery pattern. You know, so we're probably going to get a lot of weekend people trying to short this. So I'm expecting a short squeeze. So we're at 113.567. We're going to get a small bit of a short squeeze, and there is a trade available right now on BTC. So guys, join one of those exchanges, deposit, links in the description, and I'll show you how to make money in this market on a daily basis. Doesn't matter where Bitcoin's price is, we don't care. We care about the movements. Yeah. Have a great weekend, guys. Take care. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.